वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा. Namaste everyone. With this shloka, you all probably understood which recipe I am going to share with you. Yes, you're right. It's Ganesh Chaturthi special recipe, Modak. Yes. So, Modak is an Indian sweet stuffed dumpling, and it is popular in Maharashtra, Goa, and regions of Konkan. Yes. So, while we are waiting, let's start. For making this modak, first we need to make a dough. For this, you need 2 cups of maida flour. That is all-purpose flour. You can take wheat flour also. And you need for stuffing 3/4 cup of coconut, finely grated coconut, and 3/4 cup of sugar. If you like less sugar, you can take less. Here I am taking brown sugar. You can add jaggery and white sugar also. And 2 spoons of poppy seeds and some dry fruits. Here I am taking walnut, chironji seeds, almonds, raisins, and 4 cardamom. Yes, this cardamom we need to take powder. So let's make first the stuffing. We need to mix this all ingredient together, like I have done already. So here you can see I have mixed all this poppy seeds, coconut powder, sugar, and this all dry fruits, and mix it well with the cardamom powder. It smells very good. It's cardamom smell. Yeah. So now the stuffing is ready. So we can make the dough. For making dough, we have already took 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So in this, 1 pinch of salt we need to add, and 2 tablespoons of hot ghee or oil. So let's make this dough. So now let's make dough. For that we need to heat oil. If this oil heat good, then take and pour it in this flour. Okay, it's so hot, so you cannot mix with hand. Just use your spoon to mix it. So mix it nicely with using spoon. When it goes little red, then you can use your hands to knead it. So here we added oil, so the water quantity will become less now. Okay, so it cool little, so I'll use my hand to knead this. So we'll take water. Here I took 3/4 cup of water. So slowly you can add water and mix it really good, like we make for our chapati. So now it's ready. Dough is ready. See, it's not so soft or not so hard. It should be like chapati dough, and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Okay, then we'll start rolling modak. So let's keep for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes over, we can start rolling our modak. First, traditionally actually they use rice flour to make modak, but now I am using this all-purpose flour. What we can do, we can make a big rounds of ball and make like big chapati and cut it with this bowl. Or you can take the small balls and roll small puris. Then we can make modak. So now I am doing this big rolls. Sprinkle little flour and start rolling it. Roll like chapati or puri. So now this is ready. So we can take any sharp edges. I am taking here bowl. So we can cut it in a round shape like this. So in this one we got 4. So now you can keep it aside, these pieces. We can keep it aside, and this rest we can mix the other dough. And let's start rolling another. So we can mix it and make one more like chapati. Sprinkle little powder. So now these puris are ready. In this 2 cups of maida flour, 21 puris we can make. So 21 modak. So now let's see how to fill stuffing in it. So take one round shape, one small puri, and place 1 spoon stuffing in the center. And with using your thumb finger and forefinger, make a pleats like this. You can make a pleats like this, slowly. Okay, you can push little inside and make a pleats. Then seal it up with the good shape of modak. See, it's looking so beautiful, no? It's a modak. We need to seal it up. And it is looking like momos also, right? Yeah. So like this we need to make one by one all modak. Put in the center and make a pleats using your fingers and thumb finger. Pinch it nicely. Okay, like this pleats you need to make. After that, again seal it with a good shape. It's modak shape. So easy. See, like this we need to do for each and every puris. So modak stuffed with sweet. Now it's ready to fry. So we can take slowly, gently, one by one, and put it in the oil. Oil is hot now. We can make it medium flame, and let's fry. We need to put slowly because oil is so hot. This modak should be fried in medium flame, so it can cook till inside. Okay, So modak is called in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Konkani. But in Kannada it is called as Modaka and in Tamil it is Modakam. So in Telugu also they call as Kodumu. So it has different names in different languages. See the modak is becoming now little golden brown. So we need to turn up and down so it can cook evenly. So it's looking like modak is ready, so we can take it out. Switch off the flame and let's decorate. Oh, it's so hot. So 21 modak are ready for prasad. So please try it and share your experience. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Thank you for watching.
Let it go, let my body go.